Hello and welcome to LabVIEW Advantage. Today I'm going to show you how you can download LabVIEW and LabVIEW NXT for free. So go to the Google and search for the LabVIEW Community Edition. Recently, NI has released a new version of LabVIEW Community Edition uh, from which you can download the LabVIEW and LabVIEW NXT for free. So it is the same powerful graphic. It also has all the capabilities found in the LabVIEW professional editions. As you can see, LabVIEW 2020 and LabVIEW NXT are available. The Links toolkit is also available to be used with the Raspberry Pi, BeagleBoard, and Arduino. And you will also have access to the LabVIEW NXT web module for creating the web-based applications. Now let us look at the terms and conditions, what you can do and cannot do with LabVIEW NXT. It is really great thing that NI has released the community edition. As you can see, you can read, you can use a LabVIEW community edition, or the NXT community edition may only be used for your personal, non-commercial, non-industrial purpose. That basically means you cannot make money out of this uh, edition, but you can use for the home hobbyist projects, make free open source project or add-ons for the community to reuse, and you can use LabVIEW to study for upcoming certification. As you can see, that is very important. You can use it for the CLAD, CLD, or CLA preparation, and use LabVIEW at home to keep skills sharp. For example, if you are leaving the job or switching between or just left the university, you can make use of this product. And these are the common guidelines where you cannot use it for the professional engineering work, for your company, solo or otherwise, any kind of work done at home for professional consulting, as well as projects created for any of these startup companies. And in terms of the academics, you cannot also use it to teach a course or for the academic research. So let's look at some frequently asked questions. I'm a high school teacher and a LabVIEW advocate. I've created some LabVIEW apps to help run some experiments. Can I use new LabVIEW Community Edition? Yes, perfectly. Because as long as you are not making money out of it, you can still use it. It's for the non-professional, non-commercial use. You can also go through all the available terms and conditions, where you can use and where you cannot use. So based on this, you can make a decision, and you can comply with the terms and conditions on using the LabVIEW and LabVIEW NXT community editions. So let's look into the download pages. So this is the download page for the LabVIEW community edition. As you can see, you can download the latest version 2020, and when you press there, you can download the file. You can also see the description of the software. Then this is the LabVIEW NXT community edition, and here also you can download the product. So NI has done this great job of providing the NI free for all the LabVIEW users, and making it more accessible for everyone. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.